Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to install virtual environment on all operating systems. Yes, you heard it correct. On all operating systems. The steps to install virtual environment on all operating systems are same, only for activating the virtual environment may differ on different operating system. So let's get started. If you're using Linux or Mac, open your terminal. If you're using Windows, open your command prompt. After opening the terminal, type in pip3 if you're using Python 3 version, but if you're using Python 2, then you can type in pip install virtualenv. As you can see, the virtual environment is successfully installed onto my system. Now, let us create the virtual environment by typing in virtualenv followed by your virtual environment name -p space Python 3 and press enter. As you can see, the virtual environment called myenv has been successfully created on my system. Now let us activate the virtual environment by typing in source followed by your virtual environment name /bin/activate if you're using Linux or Mac. If you're on Windows operating system, then you can directly type in activate followed by your virtual environment. So that's it for installing, creating and activating your virtual environment. If you enjoyed the video, click on like, share and comment. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the latest updates from us. Thank you.